The number one thing people want to do with their PCs once they have them up and running is use the Internet. Windows Millennium Edition lets you get the most out of the Internet with Internet Explorer 5.5 for the web and Outlook Express 5.5 for email and news. IE 5.5 still delivers the best web browsing experience on the Internet, including enhanced support for web pages with frames, making browsing the web faster. It's also easier to print from IE 5.5 with a print preview, so you know exactly what you're getting. The Outlook Express email client makes it easy to communicate with friends and family, no matter where they are. If you're familiar with Outlook Express, you may have noticed this new feature here that lists your contacts. This is part of the MSN Messenger technology that allows you to see which of your friends are online and easily chat with them, whether they're across town or across the world. NetMeeting provides video conferencing support over the Internet. It's easy to launch a NetMeeting session from the Messenger window once you know the person you want to talk with is online.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing great. The Internet isn't just about websites and email. Online gaming also lets you meet, communicate, and socialize with people. Windows Me includes Internet-ready versions of classic games like backgammon, hearts, checkers, reversey, and spades. With just one click, I can quickly get online and get matched with an opponent. The games come with a chat-like feature that includes pre-selected comments like "Congratulations," "Your move," and "How about another game?" Because the comments are translated across all versions of Windows Me, a player in the United States can easily communicate with a player in Japan. As you can see, Windows Me lets you get the most out of the Internet, whether it's communicating with friends and family, shopping online, or playing Internet games.